look at you, I see my everything, my partner, my best friend, my safe place, and my greatest adventure. I see someone who has made me believe in love, trust, and the word forever. You are my heart, my happiness, and my forever love, and I'm going to be with you for the long haul until they put me in the ground. I love my little green Dean.
Always thinking of others and show up 110 times for those you love. You have such a big heart, and I am incredibly happy that you have found someone who shows up for you. They encourage you to be your best self and love you truly unconditionally. You have been such an amazing friend.
As your wife, I promise to always stand by your side, even when times are hard. When I look at you, I see my forever, our future, our family, and a life built on love and laughter. It's crazy to think how quickly our relationship began to grow, but deep down, we both knew from the start it was something special. I promise I'll love you every single day for the rest of my life. I can't wait to keep laughing with you, crying with you, and sharing every part of this beautiful life with you. I love you so much.
Blake, will you take Becca to be your lawfully wedded wife? Becca, will you take Blake to be your lawfully wedded husband? Will you promise to love, honor, and cherish him and cherish her through all the days of your life?
I do.
I do.
Blake, you may kiss your bride.
Welcome to the chaos, the laughter, and a lifetime of being our beloved third wheel. So Becca and Blake, may your life be full of those 7-minute moments, and may your love always be filled with fun and laughter. So cheers to the new Mr. and Mrs. Dean.
Becca, Blake, always keep God first in your marriage no matter what. Never go to bed angry. Blake, Becca is always right. Never take a single moment for granted. You never know when it could be your last. And some really good advice that my father-in-law gave me and my wife at our wedding. It doesn't have to be a fairy tale to be a forever tale. Love you both. Congratulations. Everybody to the Deans.
This day would not have been possible without your love and support and guidance throughout everything. I love you, and I dedicate my bouquet to you.